And this is a very powerful tool for seeking this type of greater fulfillment in your personal life and career and professional development. Because let's face it, we really can't separate the two, right? We have to start from this place of authenticity. And this provides such valuable insights into your unique nature. And this can help really guide your decision making process, because I know it really has helped me with achieving success and staying true to myself. And as a hypnotist, this state of focused attention and heightened awareness allows us to access the subconscious mind. And while in these states, we can guide and implement a self-directed healing mechanism. So once this mechanism is activated in your blueprint and you understand the four-step process, it's self-directed. My belief is you need nothing outside yourself to heal, to find your purpose, to understand. So once I guide you as your navigator to learn how to activate this four-step mechanism, success mechanism that's already in your blueprint, then you're on your own. And I am here. What I do is I offer different packages. I have a VIP package, and that's a very intentional processing days. So I have VIP days, and those are one-on-one packages. So if that's something that interests you, they're affordable. I do have application process, and I'll leave information for you there. But if that's not something for you there, make sure you subscribe, because we have free groups, and then we have very specific issues with a solution for the different energy types. That's a small fee. And then we have smaller group 6-week experimental labs. So human design deconditioning experiment, which is a 6-week process. So we do have those packages. So if that's something you're interested in, send me a message. We'll leave information below. But as we learned that people want results, they want solutions to their problems. And I'm learning they don't want more information. They want to learn how to implement it. So if you're learning human design and you want to learn, all right, what is this deconditioning not self thing? I want the benefits of it, but you don't know how, you are in the right place. Stay tuned, because we are going to get into why these are the future of personal development. And I can tell you from personal experience why, because they work. They work. And with the rise of alternative solutions, the modern world is characterized by rapid changes and increasing complexity. And this is where traditional systems fail. And the one-size-fits-all approach of conventional therapy or medication, I mean, use medication if you need the medication. Absolutely. We are not a replacement for that. But if medication isn't working, work with your doctor and use this system as complementary to that. However, this doesn't work for everyone. And I'll tell you the number one reason why this doesn't work for everyone. People want a quick fix and they don't want to follow through. It takes work. The 80-20% rule applies. Are you part of the 20% that takes action, wants to learn how to implement and follow through so that you can receive the benefits of it? It is a process that you go through. We go through a 6-week process, or the one-on-one. We do 2 days together, 3 hours each day on the one-on-one. And those 2 days, 3 hours each day, have to be done within 5 days of each other. So are you one to follow through on that? Because after the first half hour in the one-on-one session, there are no refunds. After you sign up for the 6 week, after the first week, there are no refunds. You must follow through to the end. And I'm finding 20% or less actually show up and follow through. And I'm telling you, that's all you have to do. And to receive these significant improvements in your personal life, your career, your self discovering, all you have to do is show up and follow through. But 80% will sign up for our courses and never even start them. A high percentage will never even start them, but they'll sign up for a course and never start them. Are you guilty of this? I know I am. I'm totally guilty of this. I'm not shaming anyone. I'm just noticing a pattern within myself. It's like, have I taken all these courses and not followed through? I sure have. Notice the pattern. That's the first step, awareness. Second step, how much is this affecting your life and preventing you from success? Only you can answer that. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the absolute worst, how much pain is this causing in your life? Not showing up for yourself and not following through. So, human design and hypnosis, these are alternative solutions that can provide effective ways for us to implement and design our reality and then make these changes in our lives, because traditional systems may fail to meet the needs of the modern day woman. But human design and hypnosis offer the advantage over traditional methods.